Ever considered the impact of law on our society? How does it adapt to cultural, technological, and economic shifts? Let's examine W. Friedman's Law in Changing Society, a work that explores this complex relationship. The book commences with crafting the backdrop for comprehending the ever-changing role of law within our society. It provides an extensive examination of the fundamental characteristics of legal systems, delivering a foundation for understanding the essence of law. The book goes into detail about these characteristics, discussing how each legal system is defined by a set of rules that govern behavior and is characterized by its own unique set of institutions and procedures. Each system also has mechanisms to adjudicate disputes and to enforce the rules and decisions. These characteristics, the book suggests, are critical for maintaining social order and justice, and are intrinsic to the functioning of any legal system. This comprehensive analysis aids in understanding the complex fabric of law. The narrative then transitions to a comprehensive analysis of the historical evolution of legal systems as presented in the book. This analysis provides a fascinating journey through different eras, closely examining how laws have modified and reacted to the relentless waves of societal changes. Venturing forth from this point, Friedman immerses us deeply into the world of sociology, meticulously dissecting, examining, and analyzing a myriad of theories and frameworks that illuminate the complex interplay between law and society. He does an exceptional job of elucidating theories, offering us a comprehensive understanding of how each framework works, its implications, and its influence on the legal system. This intellectual journey is not merely a superficial overview, but a profound, in-depth exploration of sociological perspectives that shape our understanding of the law. Following this extensive sociological dissection, he seamlessly transitions into the economic dimensions of law, delving into how economic factors can sway legal systems and reciprocally, how legal systems can impact the economy. The book delves deep into the political dimensions of law, presenting an intricate analysis of its role in governance and power dynamics. It expounds on how laws are not just instruments of governance, but also potent tools that shape power structures. The book examines how laws can be used to control societal behaviors, manipulate power dynamics, and uphold or challenge existing societal order. It explores how certain laws can be designed to favor certain groups, and how these power dynamics can perpetuate systemic issues. This exploration is a significant reminder of how law is not just about justice, but also about power, control, and societal order. It pushes readers to ponder over the interplay of law, politics, and society, and the vast impacts they have on each other. Next, Friedman delves into a detailed analysis of the effects of technological advancements on legal systems. He meticulously investigates how this evolution of technology has completely overhauled legal practice. Breaking down the impact into several key areas, Friedman explores how digital data storage has transformed the way legal documents are handled, and the role of artificial intelligence in automating repetitive tasks. He also scrutinizes the shift from traditional courtrooms to online dispute resolution platforms. Furthermore, he looks into the security challenges posed by technology in safeguarding sensitive information. A comprehensive look is then given at its implications for the future of law, including the potential for virtual courtrooms and the use of predictive analysis in legal decisions. All these points contribute to Friedman's insightful examination of technology's profound influence on the legal system. The narrative then transitions into a comprehensive analysis of the cultural shifts and their significant influence on legal norms and values, as discussed in depth in the book. It's an insightful exploration of the intricate cultural fabric that shapes our laws and the reciprocal impact of these laws on the formation of society. Friedman dives deep into an intricate examination of the role legal institutions play in instigating or opposing societal transformation. He meticulously explores how these establishments can either become the lever for societal evolution or the significant obstacle in its path. This detailed analysis uncovers the intricate workings of legal institutions and their pivotal role in shaping societal norms. It provides valuable insight into the dynamic mechanisms that enable the law to flexibly adapt to a world that is in a constant state of flux, The book thus offers a rich understanding of how the law interacts with and responds to the ceaseless tide of societal change. As we conclude Law in Changing Society, our central focus remains the dynamic nature of legal systems. This dynamism, emphasized by Friedman, imparts an understanding that law isn't idle or unchanging, but rather transforms continuously synchronization with societal changes. A thorough analysis of this dynamic nature reveals how legal systems are not only reactive, reflecting the current state of society, but also proactive, shaping the future of societal norms and values. Furthermore, Friedman highlights the interdisciplinary nature of legal studies. He amalgamates insights from sociology, economics, politics, and other fields, weaving together a comprehensive understanding of the complex, reciprocal relationship between law and society. Thus, the dynamism of law, as unveiled in the book, brings to light how the law isn't a standalone entity, but an evolving organism intricately interlinked with its social environment. Law in Changing Society essentially conveys the crucial role of constant reassessment in the realm of law. The book underscores the importance for legal scholars, policymakers, and practitioners to persistently examine and comprehend the ever-evolving relationship between law and the society it is meant to serve. It is not merely about interpreting the law's text, but delving deeper into the pulse of this relationship, understanding its evolution, and recognizing the law's significant role in actively shaping and simultaneously being by the world around us. The book emphasizes that this thorough analysis is not a mere recommendation. Instead, it is a pressing need for the legal sphere to remain proactive, relevant, and effective. By illuminating this, Law in Changing Society provides a comprehensive guide to the importance of continual reassessment and comprehension of the law's relationship with society. Voiceover. Continuing our exploration of law in changing society, we now turn the spotlight on its particular relevance and implications within the specific context of Nepal. W. Friedman's pivotal volume is of substantial relevance to the Himalayan nation, offering profound insights into the mechanics of legal systems and their evolution in response to societal flux. It serves as an invaluable beacon for policymakers, legal practitioners, and scholars within Nepal, assisting them to navigate societal fluctuations effectively and constructively. To analyze this in a comprehensive manner, we must accentuate the fact that Law in Changing Society uncovers the complex interaction between cultural evolutions and political factors that shape legal norms and institutions. This is especially palpable within the Nepalese context, given the country's rich tapestry of cultural traditions and its dynamic political scenario. Moreover, Law in Changing Society has the potential to serve as a crucial catalyst in the ongoing legal reform process in Nepal. It aids in the conceptualization and execution of a more inclusive and effective legal system that is responsive to the evolving needs of Nepalese populace. At its core, this seminal work provides a structural framework for dissecting, understanding, and adapting legal systems to meet the flux of societal landscapes. This positions it as an increasingly relevant and applicable tool within the context of Nepal's vibrant and ever-evolving legal and societal shifts. Voiceover. W. Friedman's Law in Changing Society is acknowledged as a fundamental text in legal studies. However, it has not been spared of criticism. To delve deeper into the critic's viewpoint, the primary contention is that Friedman's analysis is majorly Western-centric, potentially bypassing the intricacies of legal progression in non-Western societies. They believe that his focus on Western legal systems potentially undermines the unique socio-cultural, political, and economic contexts that shape legal development in other parts of the world. The second major concern raised by critics is Friedman's reliance on structural functionalist theory to elucidate the relationship between law and society. Critics argue that this theoretical approach may result in an oversimplified representation of complex societal dynamics. They contend that the structural functionalist theory, while useful, does not fully capture the complexities inherent in the relationship between law and society, thus potentially limiting the scope of Friedman's analysis. Critics also highlight that Friedman has largely overlooked critical perspectives that challenge established notions of law. These perspectives, often rooted in social justice and equity, can offer alternative ways of understanding the law and its role in society. According to critics, the absence of such perspectives is a significant drawback in Friedman's analysis. Another significant criticism of Friedman's work is its perceived inadequacy in addressing the challenges posed by global legal pluralism. Critics argue that the book, published in 1962, fails to fully grapple with the reality of multiple legal systems coexisting within a single society. Lastly, critics express disappointment that emerging areas of law, such as environmental law and human rights law, have not been substantially addressed. These fields have grown in significance in recent times, and their absence from Friedman's work is seen as a glaring oversight. Regardless of these criticisms, law in changing society remains an invaluable tool in comprehending the interplay between law and societal change. It lays a sturdy foundation for additional exploration into this multifaceted and dynamic field. Nevertheless, these criticisms should be taken into account when this work as a point of reference or guide in legal studies. In essence, while law in changing society offers priceless insights, it is not exempt from criticism concerning its theoretical approach, cultural perspective, and the extent of its analysis.